Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to contact sender on Temu. If you need to contact a sender on Temu, then the following steps will help you. First of all, open the Temu application and also make sure to log into your Temu account like you normally do. After signing into Temu, from the main home page, select an item and click open the merchant's name whose store you want to contact. I'm gonna choose a random name over here from the list of recommended providers. Once you get to their page, you will be able to find the message icon. It will be normally located right next to the follow button or at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, in the search box at the bottom, you can go ahead and initiate a chat or try to contact with the seller. You can also choose from the list of FAQs or leave a message for a live agent to respond to. So that is how you will be able to contact a sender on Temu. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.